quick read to help you review the concepts of human resources, or if you're new to the topic and need an introduction, this is the ebook for you. In today's business environment, it's extremely difficult to accomplish organizational goals without having had at least some form of human resources management training, because companies that have no clear plan for their workforce are at a severe disadvantage when it comes to retaining talented employees. That is why an HR course can be extremely helpful to those who are not familiar with the nuances of this profession. This ebook condenses all relevant information from our full Human Resources Management course and provides it in an easily digestible, beautiful ebook format. Throughout the reading, you'll gain better insight into employee-employer relationships, learn how to conduct company and employee needs assessments, gain an understanding of compensation and benefits, work analyses, legal issues, and more.